Hi guys, I am Eduardo Chacon and I will present about uh, Kaizen philosophy. Okay, this methodology is very important to the industries and all the work to improve process or of different things. It's not only for industry, but is used more for industry. Yeah, but you know what I try to say. So, okay, we need to start right now. Uh, Kaizen is a Japanese philosophy meaning change for the better. It emphasizes continuous incremental improvement involving everyone in the organization. One example of this is when you try to reduce your cycle time, you need to find the constraints that you have in your process or whatever. For you know, sometimes we have a little constraint or bottleneck in the process, and we need to change all of our process. We need to redesign or reorganize our process because we have something wrong, something that did us waste time or resources, and can we can be more efficient or something like that. Continuous improvement. The continuous improvement is a consistent effort to improve products, service, or processes. It reduces errors, improve quality, and boost productivity. That I mean, is try to do the process more more facile, more facility more or easier to the operator. So try to view how how to change or how we can meet with the goal uh, without less time or whatever. For this reason, is little change to involves different different improvements in the process. Change the process step by step. Implement tools or different devices mm, to do the process more efficient. Uh, the Kaizen cycle. We know like the PD, PDCA cycle, plan, do, check out, plan, identify the opportunities, do, implement, change, check, analyze results, act, standardize successful improvements. This cycle need to happen a cycle, and you need to do and do again and do again and do again because always we can do better or in less time. So we need to have yeah. Waste in Kaizen. Um, as we know, the seven wastes are production, waiting, transport, over processing, inventory, motion, defects, and or teacher. Also mention the waste, that is wasted talent. Um, yes, added value in Kaizen. Value is what the consumer is willing to pay for. Kaizen increases value by reducing waste, improving process, and focusing on customer needs. Real work self story. As we know, Toyota implement this philosophy, employing deployers and using time production is the best part of lean manufacturing. Sony improved product design, Nestle optimized supply chain, and our company also we improved or applied Kaizen, changing the process, the tools, the machinery that we use. So in this case, uh, Kaizen um, did that reduced our cycle time in the half of the time, more than the half of the time. Uh, our process took around 74 seconds per toy, and with these improvements, our process take 105 seconds per 6 toys, around mm, 15, 15 seconds. So it's a good improvement for us. Reduce all of the time, and we can produce more toys in each batch. Um, what is the benefits of Kaizen? Reduce operational costs, higher product service quality, employee engagement, greater customer satisfaction, sustainable growing. Mm, key take 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 takeaways. Kaizen is a mindset, not just a methodology. Everyone is involved every day. Uh, Small improvements leads to big results. Yes, Kaizen is also a mindset. How we can reduce. mm, You need to find of different ways to do the process in less time, with less resources, with less people, optimize the process. Different ways we can do, I don't know, besides the process, reduce more, less resources to with the minimum that can possible. Okay, when we will talk about the conclusion is this this presentation. Uh, Continuous improvement leads to sustainable growth. Yes, employees thrive. Uh,
meaningful change, focus on value, emphasis customer satisfaction. Yes, can apply Kaizen and different tools that have relationship like SMED or 5S or different ways to meet customer satisfaction. I think that now the requirements that our customer have uh, gave us our fair idea to how can we do that. So always you need to know your your customer requirements to satisfy a you know mm, it's important to know the relationship between different tools to know how we can apply, how is more easier to understand these improvements. So that's all for me, and I see you in other video or other presentation when we will study engineering, industrial engineering. So I'll see you. Okay, okay, okay.